In front of me is a OPPO Reno 15F, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Start by launching any app you want to in the background and clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. When you see this pop-up, select floating window and enjoy using your app in this little window. Now to operate your window, you can hold one of its bottom corners, drag it to resize it. You can hold those three dots at the top to move your window, or tap on home button to switch it into this tiny one. You can also hold the tiny one and swipe it to the side to turn it into a bubble. To access it, just click on the bubble and tiny window. Now to close your window quickly, you can hold this line at the bottom and swipe it up. You can also click on the same three dots you used to move your window and check out all of those options. Close, Minimalize, and last but not least, full screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!